Hi everyone, today we'll solve Hackerrank's Weather Observation Station 14 challenge. We've got a table station with columns like ID, city, state, lat_n, long_w. We need the largest lat_n less than 137.2345, truncated to 4 decimals. For this we use max and trunc function. We first filter out values greater than or equal to 137.2345. Then, we take the maximum latitude from the filtered set. Finally, we truncate the result to 4 decimals. Results seem correct. Thanks for watching video.